Well, hello and welcome back. I'm your host Prachi Gautam, over 6 years experienced digital marketer, coach and freelancer. So today I'm here to help you the same like how you can step by step build your successful career in freelance digital marketing. And buddy, don't worry, just take a deep breath because I know that you must be having a lot of concerns like which skill should I be choosing? How I'm going to get the client? Am I too late to start? Is there too much of competition? And how I am going to build a portfolio as a fresher, where should I find the client? Then don't worry, I'm going to share with you the exact roadmap and the proven step-by-step easiest process how you can land into freelance digital marketing and get tons of project. Okay, so with that said, let's get started. First of all, I would like to give you the quick background check about me. If you're watching me for the very first time, I would like to tell you that I'm also not from digital marketing industry. I've switched my career from engineering to digital marketing. And just like you, as a fresher having no clue, I just learned, equipped with the right knowledge. I applied for the job. I worked in an MNC for 3 years as a digital marketer, and then in lockdown I started freelancing as a side hustle and then successfully built an 8-figure digital marketing agency. And today I would like to give you the exact roadmap I have followed. Okay, now first of all, it's very important for us to understand that to start your digital marketing career, you do not need a degree, neither you need an experience. You don't need to invest in expensive tools, neither you need to show your face on social media or dance on reels, because a lot of you are having the same concern because everyone on social media is just talking about I'm ABC, and you kind of find yourself that I'm not ready to show my face out there or ready to dance. I understand it's a very gradual process and take your time. It's not even important for you to show your face. Okay, so we'll get to that point for sure, but yeah, you don't need any degree or certification, or you don't need to show your face on social media, neither you need to speak in English fluently. A lot of people have this concern that we are not so good at speaking in English or having the conversation not so friendly. Then don't worry, there are a lot of profiles inside digital marketing where you need not to even deal with English or need not to create the content, but you just have to promote it. We will also talk about it. Next important and most useless I would say myth that people are having is you need to live in the metro city to get good opportunity, but it's not like that. I would like to tell you that I started my career as a freelancer while I was living in the village. I used to sit in panchayat office in Anganwadi to basically handle the projects and get the good network. So it's not a deal. If you have internet, if you have the laptop, then you have everything that you require to start your career in digital marketing. So enough of what we don't need. Now, shall we discuss about what exactly we need to start our career in digital marketing? So these are the 5 things you need. First, you need a skill or combination of couple of profiles. Second, and we are going to talk on this. Second, what we need is portfolio, right? You do not have degree certification, that's completely all right, but you definitely need to prove your knowledge, right? Justify your expertise to a specific prospect, client, brand. So in that case, we need a portfolio, and I'll also tell you how you can. And third, you need the social media presence like Instagram, LinkedIn. And fourth, foremost important, is you need confidence. Like, I know this is so lame to talk on this, but I would like to just mention you one thing, that being a beginner doesn't mean you are a bagger. You have a skills if you know those proven strategies through which you can drive value to a business. People are ready to hire you. In 2024, experience doesn't count, expertise does. So you have to become an expert. We'll make a good portfolio. We also need to understand where to find the high ticket projects and prospects. So that's what you exactly need. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why should you be choosing freelancing, why digital marketing is perfect to offer freelance services. Third, we are going to talk about what are some high income digital marketing packages you can create, and then I'll be giving you some glimpse on how you can build your portfolio and how to find clients. Okay, so this is what exactly you need to get a start in a step-by-step process. So starting with the very first thing, why freelancing? Why freelancing? Why you should not go and do a full-time job? So here are certain reasons why freelancing. All right, so I'm not just gonna talk with my experience or what I have observed, but I'm gonna speak with the facts today, with figures. So this is first survey from Upwork, which says that 62% of the company already hired the freelance talent. Second is 54% of the marketing leaders are saying that they are hiring freelancers in their team. There's this third survey from Economic Times which states that the number of female professionals starting their career in freelancing has increased by 158%. This fourth survey, India is the largest market of freelancers, oh my god. And fifth one, 40% of freelancers in India are Gen Z. And sixth one is that what you need to know is going to convince you to start your career in digital marketing as a freelancer. This survey mentions that. This survey is from PayPal. So on an average, a freelancer in India is making over 19 lakh per annum. Could you imagine? Is someone as a fresher being a digital marketer could get paid more than 5 lakhs per annum? I don't think so. But as a freelancer, you can cross over 19 lakhs a year. And yeah, it's true. I've seen a lot of, I'm not saying that you will make your first lakh within a month. No, it's not gonna happen. It is a gradual process. It's gonna take your time. So I'm here to give you the reality check that if you're starting your career in digital marketing and if you stay consistent, persistent, if you do your best to build your portfolio, get the expert knowledge, pitch the right prospects, then within 6 months at least you can reach up to the 50k plus or to 1 lakh per month. That is for sure. And with the time you can multi-fold your income, because if you're doing freelancing, the steering is in your hand. You can promote your charges, you can add on more services, you can work in your flexible. So much of freedom do you get, right, when it comes to financial freedom or work lifestyle freedom. So there's so many of perks that you will have as a freelance digital marketer. I think these are more than enough reason for us to get into this field. And here in this industry from over 6 years, and I must say there was not even a specific stretch of time where I didn't get the opportunity. There are flooded of opportunities in the market and we just have to make ourselves ready for it. Okay, but if you want to know a little bit more reasons why companies are hiring freelancers, then these are 3 important reasons. The first reasons why companies are hiring freelancers is its cost saving process, because sometimes a company is having a very short project for which they cannot hire a full-time employee because it's a very limited time work, so they hire freelancers instead. Second, freelancers offer much higher quality work as compared to a full-time employee, because they have been working for multiple industries and niches and they have leveled up their knowledge, so their expertise is much higher than as compared to an employee. And third reasons why companies prefer freelancers is faster delivery. Short-term delivery is, I guess, the power of a freelancers, because they are very fond of working in multiple projects, meet the deadline. So usually when companies are hiring a freelancer, they do get the delivery on time. So these are the 3 important reasons why companies are hiring freelancers. So these are enough reasons why you should start freelancing, but I will not leave a stone unturned here to tell you like why digital marketing is perfect. That is our second topic, like why you should be choosing digital marketing services as a freelancer. So here are again 3 stats I would like to share. Number 1, according to a LinkedIn survey, 63% of the businesses has increased their digital marketing budget in 2024. It means companies are investing more in marketing channels like social media, websites, SEO, designing, so that they can reach out to more and more audience, and that's why they need more experts. Next survey is the government of India, in fact, is making a lot of policies like Digital India Startup, which is also boost to more job opportunities. And the next survey is digital marketing industry is expected to generate over 9 lakhs jobs and opportunity in 2024. So there is no doubt that digital marketing is the fastest growing industry. Companies are boosting their budget in digital marketing, hiring more and more experts, and it's high demanded, profitable, and very lucrative and the easiest skill. That's why you should choose digital marketing as a freelancing service. And the best option is you really get a lot of work from home opportunity and freelancing opportunity in this field. So I think these reasons are enough for you to understand why freelancing and why digital marketing. Okay, now post this, I would like to share with you what are the high income digital marketing packages you must offer as a freelancer. So let's start that. So here comes the reality. Today's businesses are in fierce competition. They cannot win the game or compete their competitors just by using a single digital marketing channel. Businesses need their extra exposure. Businesses need to build their identity in multiple platforms to boost their brand visibility. Hence, it is very important for you as a freelancer to offer multiple packaging services to the clients so that you can become a one-stop shop for them, as well as you can charge a little bit high. So here are 4 in-demand and profitable digital marketing packages you can offer to a client. Perfect. So the first package is the content marketing package. It includes these 3 skills: content writing, copywriting, and SEO. Let me give you a very simple example. Let's say there is a IT client, IT company. They are hiring a writer, okay, and they want this writer to write a very informative content which is having copywriting skill, which means a skill, an art of writing an information in more convincing way. That is copywriting. So they need a writer who can write in a very powerful language, in convincing language, with the right information, and also someone who can make this content SEO friendly. Let's say if this company want this blog to post in their website, or they want you to write a web copy or a landing page, they definitely need to also rank on Google, right? So today's companies are hiring a writing and SEO packages together. So it's better that you offer content marketing package, which is the combination of content writing, copywriting, and SEO. Okay, this is the very first package. Alright, now speaking about the second package, which is the social media solutions. Inside this, we have 3 specific skills, which include social media marketing. Inside social media marketing, we can break it down into Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing. The second skill we can add on to this package is ads, meta ads, like how to run the Instagram, Facebook ad for the company. And third is graphic designing skill, because let's say there's a jewelry brand hiring you as a social media expert. They definitely want you to not only do their social media marketing on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, but they also want you to design those posts, edit those reels, and also they want you to run advertisement whenever it is needed for their business in seasons of offers, deals, and festival, right? So social media solution is the package where you offer social media marketing, graphic designing, and advertisement package. It is definitely going to be a perfect social media solution for a brand, where they can hire a person who will take care of editing, designing, advertisement, and organic growth, right? So this is a perfect package. Now speaking about the third one. Alright, now the third package is of ghostwriting. What is ghostwriting? Whenever you're writing a content on a behalf of a person, example, social media content, emails, presentation for the client, landing pages for them. So this is known as ghostwriting. So on a moment marketing, when a business needs someone to write a specific content for an event, for an email, for a cover letter, for a presentation, so in such cases you can play a good ghostwriter role for them. And next skill is the fourth one, which is my favorite digital marketing packages that could help me make extra dollars, and I would highly recommend you this package. So this package is known as organic digital marketing, which is a combination of content writing, SEO, email marketing, and social media marketing. So organic digital marketing is basically when you're helping a business to grow organically without spending on advertisement. So usually I would like to prefer this organic digital marketing packages, because they need an expert and it's very high paid profile and profession. So how about we help a business grow organically multiple fold using our digital marketing organic solution. So I think it's a great option for you to get started with it. First, why I preferred this package when I started, and still I'm offering the same package. Why? Because it's easiest. You can build your portfolio without even any client. You can practice it and you can instantly learn it. It is easiest, and it is 365 days demanded, as compared to the advertisement skills, where businesses are only in demand of you when they are running any offer deals, and usually companies run offer on the festive seasons. They don't do it 365 days. That's why organic digital marketing, which is a combination of content writing, SEO, social media marketing, and I would say email marketing, is a perfect solution that you can offer to any business where they need you on every single day. It's a basic need of the businesses, so that's why it's perfect, I guess. So this is what my advice is. Now this is just one thing, like what you should be choosing, and still there are a lot of steps we need to be followed to become a freelancer. In that sense, I'm talking about after you choose a skill, then you have to build your portfolio, and then you have to build a social media presence, and then you need to learn how to find clients, right? So don't worry, I have covered everything for you. I have made a video on how to build your portfolio as a fresher without having any client, how you can find the clients, how you can make your social media presence. So I'm gonna give the links right over here, and also I'm gonna give specific links in the description box, so don't forget that you're going and checking them out. And if you want to fast track your learning, get the clients in next 45 days, guaranteed growth, so then I would like to invite you in the 6-week live digital marketing training I have especially designed for the beginners out there who want to learn from a very basic to advanced level with practical implementation. Someone who is not just helping you to learn but also make sample works. I can also help you to get the clients, and it's a very like a complete community we have. I have already mentored over 6,750 students, and we all are slaying at it. All of them are just like you. I have been there where you are, just a beginner coming from different industry trying to get into the digital marketing, so I understand where you are. Don't worry about it. If you would like to check out the courses I have created, which are from a very general information to the advanced with entire practical implementation, because digital marketing is like a mathematics. You cannot just binge watch and learn it. You need samples, you need work to practice, right? So I'm there to help you fast track your learning and also fast track the process to get the client and help you make over dollars a month. So with that said, click on the link. Again, I'm gonna share with you in the description box. The 6 weeks live training covers everything from content writing, copywriting, SEO, social media marketing, graphic designing, meta ads, every single thing. You name it, I'll make you learn it. So what are you waiting for? Get inside, and you can check every detail of the course, of the next videos to watch in the description box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to give it a like, because it's a baby channel and I need your support. Okay, so see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and enjoy your freelancing. Bye.